Welcome to Ventour. Recently I've been doing some deliveries for people on the old 12-week stay-at-home thing, and I've been using this car. But today I've got a decent distance to cover, about 30 miles, to deliver a week's shopping, and I've managed to squeeze a week's shopping. Yeah, it's like going camping, isn't it? Into the, here we are, look in here. Sort of week shopping includes, look, quite a lot of alcohol. Anyway, I'll keep them happy. Yeah, so a good excuse for a ride. What a perfect day to be out on the GS. First time out on the bike for such a long time. It does feel so good. I don't feel any apprehension about it, despite it being May 2020, due to my delivery requirements. I'm just not using a car, and what's the difference really? So some things that I've got going today that are different since the last filmed on a bike. First is the main camera on the helmet is a GoPro Hero 8 set on a linear mode at 4K resolution, and with the stabilization set to a boost. So we'll see how that comes out. Second is a Hero 7. As you would have seen in the recent episode, the crash bars makes a perfect spot to mount the camera, so I've mounted it so you can get a slightly different engine bars, crash bar perspective. And another difference is the phone is here. Normally I stick it in a tank bag with a charge cable, so no tank bag today, but often I've frustrated of the BMW navigation systems. Oh yeah, very nice, very nice. Yeah, but for me, you know, when I'm deciding on a route and making changes as I go, I pull over and I look at the Ordnance Survey map on the phone. So I thought, well, if I had a holder, I could have the Ordnance Survey map on display continuously, and that's what I'm doing now. The holder is called Cord Lock. Okay, shall I do a review? No, I won't do a review on it. I bought two of the holders, one for the Harley and one for the GS. Positioning it, I fiddled around for a while, and it's okay there. It doesn't obscure from vision the speedo and things like that from me. Almost, not quite. Be nice to mount it in the middle, but then you cover up part of the dash, which is not really a perfect solution. You could do with a slightly adjustable head on it. I think you can get that, but it's okay there. It's okay. So, I mean, I absolutely love, and as you've seen in my videos, I love Ordnance Survey maps to work out where we are, where one's going, ideas, especially on quieter back roads. My 30-mile trip to deliver the week's shopping, I would normally join the A14, which we're about to go over here, or the next bridge, that's the railway, and join that at the other end of this village and bomb along there. And yeah, but it's not fun on the motorbike, is it? So I'm going to go on orange B roads on the Ordnance Survey map and yellow roads, and just sort of find my way across using black roads all the way. So they're the other side of Bury St Edmunds to Ely, where I am, to give you some idea. Perfect day. Perfect day. Coming up to a little Ford. Not childish things that one does, eh? Here we are, look at that. Oh, it isn't exactly got a lot of water in. What a waste of time that was. Right, it's time to enjoy a little bit of road. The other thing I've done that's not visible is I've put inside the helmet and over the microphone one of those wind, what are they called? Called dead cats. I don't know why. A furry thing. Keeps the wind off. Now there's not a lot of wind in my helmet, but sometimes, you know, I was editing a video from last year and there was quite a lot of wind noise at one point. I don't honestly know how, but there we are. So I think putting a dead cat in the helmet is the way. Busy with cyclists. This is a nice piece of road between Moulton and Dalham. Good tarmac. A lot of cyclists, great. Oh, it's so good to be back on a bike. Oh yes, it's good, it's good, it's very good. So guys, I don't know when I'll be publishing this. I don't know what the position will be on the situation in May 2020. Today is the 9th of May. Things may have changed, but at the moment not meant to be doing anything but essential journeys and or journeys to go and do exercise. Journeys being shorter than the time of the exercise, shorter in time than the time of the exercise. Fair enough. And I've been keeping the bikes in the garage, cleaning them, as you well aware. But you know, I've been doing a few of these trips, mostly short journeys, not that far from home really. So to be honest, it's not worth, I mean short trips, I mean essential trips for other people. Taking stuff to my elderly parents, shopping and all that sort of stuff. And I'm sure most of you have been helping out other people as well with that sort of thing. It's just not worth getting all the bike gear on to go 5 miles. It really isn't. And the roads in the fens are shite. There we are. Sorry about that, but they are. They're just terrible. So this is a really good excuse. I don't know why I didn't do it before. Going in the car to do this particular delivery, but well, it's the perfect day, isn't it? With the load I've got on, it looks like I'm going touring. Having the Ordnance Survey map up's great because I can immediately decide on quiet country roads as I go along and just make a cross-country meander, quickly random without too much of a plan. I'll go right here. Of course, it's still got the BMW nav if you need it. I'm certainly on some roads I've never been on before, which is great. Nice to get, I wouldn't say I'm lost, not lost at all with the Ordnance Survey, but it's really nice to be on different roads. It's almost the perfect time of year, isn't it, for riding? A sunny May weekend. Marvellous. These are some really super quiet roads out here in the Suffolk countryside. Pretty villages. Not too far now to my destination and delivery. Most enjoyable, it's more enjoyable than ever after not being on the bike for so long. Let's just hope that things progress quickly, and by the time I've got this video posted, that things have progressed. And we don't have to have a essential reason to use our bikes. We'll catch you on the ride back. Delivery made. Down some nice quiet roads back to Cambridgeshire from Suffolk. Actually, we'll go right here. Good old Ordnance Survey, eh? Some good ideas going on. I do quite like these sort of quiet, narrow country lanes, but of course doesn't mean that one gets up to a lot of speed. And we always have lots of gravel in the middle, as you can see there. It does mean slow progression at times. Quite a warm end of the day, 23 degrees. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this brief update. Let me know what you think to the low camera angle viewpoint. And where else should I be mounting the second GoPro? Should it be facing me? Facing behind? Not at all, just have the one on the helmet? What do you reckon? What should I be doing? Oh, this road's nice just here, isn't it? Lovely. Really makes you happy. Makes you smile. Thanks ever so much for watching Fentor. We'll catch you soon. Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.